This right here is a 2016 Nissan Rogue. I will be doing a oil change on it. So I opened up the hood. Don't judge me. I loosened this cap up because this thing could get really stuck. Depending on who tightens it or how much you tighten it, it can get really stuck. And you don't have much wiggle room to get in there to twist it. That's where you're going to be pouring a new oil eventually. So now that I got the jack, I'm going to use the chock block. And they say that you should put it on the opposite side of the car that you're lifting up. Since I'm lifting up the left side of the car, I'm going to put it on the right side. Alright, now that we're here on the ground, we're going to look for the jack points. Now that I got the car jacked up, for protection, I'm going to use the jack stands. It's in case, God forbid, the thing were to fall.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
If it falls on that, I don't have enough time to get out. 3-ton jack stand. Pretty much ready to go. Alright, once you're under the car, you want to, this is your oil pan right here. You want to unscrew this with your 14mm ratchet wrench, and you want to bam. Yeah, you just let that drain a little bit. I usually don't use my jack anymore. I have ramps that I use, and that makes it more accessible and it makes it easier. In this case, I don't think I have a jack point in the front, so I can't lift it up from the front. However, got it on this side. Once that's done draining, then I can go ahead and take these out and I'll jack up the other side. You don't want to use a power drill to tighten that up. You just want to hand tighten this. Now let's go work on the filter. As far as the filter here, once you loosen it up, it's going to pour all into the pan. You ready? Oh, there's a bug near me. Oh, right. Oh, that's a big ass spider.
Oh my God!
1 second. Yeah. We're gonna go and tighten it up. Good grip. You're ready to pour your oil in. Remove this cap here. Once you remove it, you can set it down in a funnel for vehicles. However, I don't know what happened with the funnel I normally use for my vehicle, so I had to use one from the house. And now this is my car funnel. Serves the same purpose. And then what you want to do is you want to start the car and let it run for a little bit. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on a 2016 Nissan Rogue. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, please. Like, subscribe, share. If not, thank you for viewing the video. I appreciate you. Have a great and blessed and wonderful day. Peace.